Hey, what's up everybody? It's another Saturday morning. Time for a walkthrough of our garden. It looks like our seedlings are coming up. The bok choy is coming up. The daikon's coming up. The mizuna is going to seed, so we're gonna pick some seeds. Our lettuce is not coming up. So bummed. So we're gonna start running out of lettuce soon. I don't understand what's happening. It must have to do with the lack of rain. So our Chinese lettuce is going to seed, which is awesome. Let's check our beds over here. Our potatoes are doing really well. We put this together. We're gonna move this. Corn's coming up. Ooh, yes, our beans are coming up. That's awesome. So we made this bed last week. We're gonna make another one this week. So bummed about the lettuce. I don't understand what's happening. So what we did is, like, we chipped more of the palm fronds, so it's getting a lot easier to walk on. Eventually this whole area should be covered up. So we got our lily koi back. We put this back up together. Gotta train it to grow up on it again. Shouldn't fall down this time. Oh, our chayote is doing well. I think we gotta make it taller. Pepper's doing well. Our regular lettuce is going to seed. Chinese lettuce is doing really good. Maybe can harvest some carrots. Eggplants flowering. Awesome. Our grow bags are not growing anything except for this one. Ooh, that pepper plant has choke peppers. Check that out. Looks like we should have some eggplant soon. I think the problem with the grow bags is it's not enough water, because the bags get hot because it's black. So getting down to the end of our red lettuce, we're gonna let that one go to seed. We're gonna let all of these lettuce go to seed, so we have lots of seeds. I'm gonna start picking the leaves off of them and let them grow tall. Oop, I see a zucchini. We have one zucchini there, nice big one. That should be ready in a week. More coming up. Awesome. Flower bed is doing well. This bed was our carrots and it's not doing well at all. I don't get it. A little dry. Rosemary's back. It's getting nice and green. Guess it hasn't been raining that much. Let's check our grow bags over here. This is our cucumber. Yeah, it is dry, definitely dry. Tomato. And that is, what was that? Oh, that's another zucchini. Well, it's looking pretty good. Time to get to work. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and aloha.